So one of the things we don't really care for that we notice is a problem, I don't know if other refrigerators are like this. This is a 12-volt refrigerator that came with our travel trailer. It has this little slide lock, which is nice, right? The door doesn't fly completely open. We were on a long drive recently, and the groceries have a tendency to bump forward on the door and push the door up a little bit. Well, over several hours, it just keeps pushing and pushing, and this lock moves just enough where the groceries were then holding this door open. And you can see even at the bottom there's a pretty decent sized gap. Well, the refrigerator is obviously running while we're driving, but groceries inside started getting a little bit warm and there was a lot of condensation. So we're going to see if we can fix this problem just to hold it closed while we're traveling. So what I ended up getting was these just kind of generic child locks. They go on, I guess, cabinets or whatever you want. We're going to put some on the top and bottom of this main door, and we'll see how they work. So I'm going to get set up here. Okay, so might be a little hard to see, but these locks just came with the backing. It's a little 3M adhesive that will fit wherever you want it to, really. It has these adjustable straps. You can just cut them a little shorter and lock them into this top piece if you want the strap to be a little bit shorter. But I think this is going to work just perfect. We're going to get it lined up and stick it on here. I'll show you how this works. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, these are they'll work in either position. There's a lock if you have a child that you don't want to get into something. And then it simply squeezes and it will come off the back. So I'm going to go ahead and, just so we get our measurements right, I'm going to go ahead and just line it up where I want. Take the adhesive cover off, and we should be able to just stick it right on. One nice thing you'll notice about this one is that when you have it off, this can swivel down and just let it hang. You still have room to open your cabinet. When you're ready to use it again, it's a click lock. That's going to work much better. I went ahead and used 2 on this bottom door just because it's a little bit longer. It's a taller door. I've got it. If something happened, I would be disappointed I didn't just go ahead and stick this couple dollar strap on the door while I had a chance.